Hey guys, this is my tutorial on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So before we start this tutorial, we need to learn something called notation. And notation is the way you're going to turn a side as listed in an algorithm. So for this, we'll use right and right inverted, or just inverted and the letter, like say right. So right, as I turn it, you can see that that is a clockwise turn on this right face, so with your right hand, so right. Then right inverted is counterclockwise, so you just right inverted. And left is left, left inverted, up, up inverted, front, front inverted, and down inverted. We're not going to use back turns at all, so I don't really need to worry about this. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and scramble the cube. Alright, I say that's a pretty good scramble. So the first step of solving the cube is to build the cross, and basically what that looks like is sorry, I'm just kind of failing there. Okay, so the cross looks like this, and you can see it's on this. So we'll be starting on the green side just for consistency's sake here. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to look for a edge piece that's in between the two corners, so like this piece that has green on it, because basically the way the cube works is none of the centers in relation to each other will ever change. Even if I do all these center slices and stuff like that, then it'll never change because it's on a fixed axis. So we're going to solve green side first, and we're going to look for a piece on the bottom layer that could be lined up. But first, if you look at the top layer, I already have one lined up. Since that's yellow, you want to move it and line this yellow edge up with the yellow center here, like that. Okay? Next, you want to look, and I see this white piece here. So keeping green on top, we're only going to rotate this bottom layer, which would be the blue layer for us, until it's directly under where we want it to go. So it's lined up with the white, with this white piece on bottom. So we're going to do just a front 2 turn to bring it up. And as you can see, this piece is not flipped properly. It's in the right spot, but it's not flipped right. So this is where our first algorithm comes into play. The algorithm is front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. What that did is it flipped this piece the opposite way. So now it is lined up with its center and also lined up with the green here. So I'm going to look for another piece. I found one, and it's orange. So I've brought it up, and it's again flipped the wrong way. So we're going to do the algorithm. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. And the last one is right here. Now if this is the case, you just want, if it's on the side, then you want to just bring that down to the bottom layer, rotate the bottom layer out, and then bring this lined up piece back up like that. So you don't mess anything up, but you've brought that down. And if it's lined up, then you just want to do a front 2, and you'll have it.